It's not uncommon for drivers to speed across intersections without respecting yield signs or traffic laws. Such reckless driving can be due to things such as speeding because of being in a rush or driving under the influence of alcohol or drugs. In some instances, the driver may not have enough driving experience regarding how to safely yield the right-of-way. Such a thing occurs when a driver opts or unknowingly does not give room for other road users that have the right-of-way to pass. For instance, you might be in an intersection and you intend to make a left turn. If so, then you must give up the right-of-way to the oncoming traffic. You should give way to not only other vehicles on the road, but also pedestrians on crosswalks and the bicyclists. Many of the failure to yield accidents can be avoided or prevented. It all is a matter of learning and abiding by defensive driving to lower the risk of causing a collision. Some of the tips that we offer the public so that they are safe on the roads are to never assume that the other driver will maneuver the car to avoid a collision or try to stop. Abide by the law of right-of-way, and make eye contact with drivers at intersections. If you are involved in a failure to yield accident in Cincinnati, then you should reach out to lawyers at Young, Reverman, and Mazzei to help ensure you get compensated for the damages. We have experienced failure to yield accident attorneys that will represent your interests in the claim case so that you get fair compensation. Failure to yield is one of the most common causes of automotive road collisions in Cincinnati. If you are involved in such an accident, then the fault will be the driver that failed to yield away. In that case, you have the right to seek compensation for your injuries and damages when filing for a personal injury claim. Call our office today to schedule your risk-free consultation with one of our expert attorneys.